Hello everyone, I'm Mahim and today I'll be presenting my project called lightHook, which I created during UHI5 Hookathon. So this project is an LP's friend which helps to squeeze returns out of unused LP funds. So a quick reality check, like most of the LP fund sets us out of range, like receiving zero swap fees. So uh, that's the problem I try to solve in this hook, and the core idea began from EigenLayer offering you to restake ETH and LST collateral. So I thought, why not a hook that can do this for you automatically, and we also had a support for cross-chain bridge. So yeah, that's how we got the lightHook idea. So the solution architecture is pretty that simple. You have a Uniswap AMM and you have lightHook. So lightHook, like this hook decides when to stake and when to unstake on EigenLayer, and when to call for a cross for fallback support. Yeah. Alright. So there are like two main hooks which we are using: after remove liquidity and before swap hook. So after remove liquidity is like when liquidity leaves the pool, we ask, is the LP fully out of range? If yes, we skim 80% of its fund to EigenLayer stake. And just before every swap, we try to simulate the price impact it's gonna have. So if any LP is back in the range, we queue an EigenLayer withdrawal. And if for some reason EigenLayer withdrawal stalls, we route it back across through a cross bridge as an emergency travel code. So that's the go flow of it, and that's like the main task of it. So let's go through the code once before we jump into impact and uniqueness. So the core flow, this is the sequence diagram. As you can see, it explains all of the functions, all of the methods that we have, and like we are also using a pretty 4-layered test suites to test everything. And these are the hooks that we have. So this is the before swap hook contract, and this is the after remove liquidity contract that we have, and these are the contracts to integrate across bridge and EigenLayer. So yeah, and the test has been divided into 4 different steps. So one is like a unit test, and the second is like an integration test, and then third we have gas optimization, and the fourth one is like a bridging test, like fallback for across. So let's go ahead and run this. So as you can see, we have like 59 tests passed, 18 tests for this, 16 tests for cross-chain integration, and 18 tests for lightHook test, and simple bridging test 7 tests. So yeah, that's it. Also, this project like has been deployed on a testnet, so we can check this URL as well. Let me just show you up over here. So yeah, you can see on Etherscan that I deployed it yesterday, and this is the second contract. So yeah, so why is it like a unique thing? Because I think this is like a bridge fallback thing, and slashing protection makes it unique, and giving it a free yield generation, like without using any external calls or anything. This makes a good project and a good hook in my comparison. So that was my project. Thank you a lot for listening. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.